Hey guys, I'm back with another trading video, and in this series, I'm going to trade from kilo to sound, so the rules are. So let's start trading from rocket to sound. First trade. Now I need to roll a fruit, because of value difference. Light fruit, that's very nice. I was still looking for magma. No one wanted to trade magma. I found smoke. I joined a random server, and I found Falcon. I decided to roll for another fruit and I got light again. Someone gave me spear. So I decided to roll a fruit again. It might look like I'm rolling a fruit every second, but it took so long just to get all the fruits I have now. And I got magma. That's very nice. So guys, I joined different services, and I didn't record. And in that services, I got rubber and chop. This dude gave me dark fruit.